This is day 5 of my 7-day Practice English with Me series, and in this video, I will show you how I do shadowing, how I copy and mimic English speakers. And Priyanka Chopra is my inspiration, and also, I'm about to reach 10k subscribers, so I am planning everything in once to celebrate. So, yeah, without wasting time, let's jump into the video. I wake up around at 4 9 a.m. and this is a cyst on my eye, and one of my subscribers told me that this is called melia, and it was very irritating and painful. My eye was itching and hurting a lot. Anyway, what's up, guys? What time do you wake up in the morning? Let me know in the comments. Okay, you might be thinking that I am wearing an NCC tracksuit. Yes, it is an NCC tracksuit, but it's not mine. This like it belongs to my sister. She was in NCC, and I'm not. Of course, I'm not. After waking up, I drank a glass of warm water. Then I started reading the book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F by Mark Manson. And while I was reading, my eyes started hurting badly, let me tell you. But I still read for about 10 minutes. After that, the pain increased and my eye also swelled a little. So I went back to sleep. Yes. Later at around 9:57 a.m., I started studying again because of my eye pain. I couldn't do much in the morning except reading, but now I decided to one exercise from English grammar and use by Raymond Murphy's book. The link of this book is given in the description box. Okay, I worked on exercise 125, and while studying, I also write in my short diary about whatever I did today. So, this is why I prefer studying in the morning because no one disturbs me at that time. But today, many people were disturbing me. I received a phone call, and one child who lives in my house, uh, she's our renter, came in, and there was a lot of noise. People were shouting and doing their work, but I still stayed focused and completed this exercise. I completed the exercise 125 and corrected my answers, and honestly, my handwriting was very good today. So I appreciate myself for that. Okay, finally, I wrote everything in my diary and noted the time. I spent around 40 to 45 minutes studying. It would have been exactly 40 minutes. I would write only 40 minutes here because of my family. Because obviously they were disturbing me. But anyway, I did it. Okay, she's Priyanka Chopra, as you guys all know, and now I'm going to do shadowing practice. Shadowing method is the best exercises to improve your pronunciation, your accent, your tone, the way you speak, everything at once. Everything get better by this method. Okay, and if you want a detailed explanation video, then check out this video on my YouTube channel. In that video, I've explained everything what is shadowing and how I improve by doing this. So I will do this for a few minutes till 12, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. So let's start. Girl, you have to be a certain way. Good girls don't make history. You know what I mean? Good girls don't make history. You know what I mean? Good girls don't make history. You know what I mean? Old girls make history. Old people make history. So told to women that to be a good girl, you have to be a certain way. Good girls don't make history. You know what I mean? Bold girls make history. Old people make history. So if you want to be, old girls make history. Bold girls make history. That to be a good girl, you have to be a certain way. Good girls don't make history. You know what I mean? Bold girls make history. Bold people make history. So if you want to be. While I was doing shadowing practice, I found it very difficult at first. So I decided to write everything that Priyanka was saying in the video. You can say I wrote the subtitles or captions, anything, you know. So I wrote everything because it was hard for me to follow just by listening. And as you guys can see, whatever Priyanka said in the video, I wrote it down to make my shadowing practice easier. And yeah, I wrote every single thing. And after writing, I read the text again and again, and I practiced it many times. Way. Good girls don't make history. You know what I mean? Bold girls make history. Bold people make history. So if you want to be the lead actor of your movie, which is your life, you've got to take choices that might be contrary to what you have heard. And that empowerment may or may not come from your parents, may or may not come from your family or boyfriend or whoever you're around. It comes from you. And that no one can do. You know, I again was lucky maybe because my parents. I know it's not good. If you do shadowing practice every single day, you will start notice that your pronunciation is improving, your rhythm, your tone is also improving. By the way, the link of this podcast is given in the description box, so you can check it out. And after practicing many times, I realized that I am improving now. So you can choose any speaker you like, an English speaker, a Hindi speaker, an Indian speaker, or a native speaker, anyone who inspires you. You know what I mean? Just take a short video clip and start shadowing. Start mimicking their pronunciation, their tone, and their way of speaking. So I'm writing in my diary that I did shadowing practice today. Shadowing for approx, I guess, 15 minutes. Oh, wait. Oh, how can I show you? Is it visible? Wait. So, this is what I did today. Till now, I have more to do. I have so much on my plate. Okay. Let's do it again. I am enjoying this. I love doing this. Our legs. There's so much that has been told to women that to be a good girl, you have to be a certain way. Good girls don't make history. You know what I mean? Bold girls make history. Bold people make history. So if you want to be the lead actor of your there's so much that has been told to women that to be a good girl, you have to be a certain way. Good girls don't make history. You know what I mean? Bold girls make history. Bold people make history. So if you want to be the lead actor of your movie, which is your life, you've got to take choices that might be contrary to what you've heard. And that empowerment may or may not come from your parents, may or may not come from your family or boyfriend or whoever around. It comes from you. And that no one can do. You know? I again was lucky. It's 12:17 and right now I am finished with my shadowing method, and now I will take some rest. Okay. Now I have to go and teach my student, so let's do a quick transition. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. It's so curly and wavy, kind of baby curls. I don't know. Okay, and I honestly love this hairstyle on me. I love curly hair, and the volume has also increased, which makes me love it even more. I love myself. I truly love who I am and who I am becoming. I know who I am, and yes, I'm obsessed with myself. Just look at this. I feel so beautiful. My skin color also, like, I love my skin color too. And you can see the cyst on my eye is not very visible anymore. Okay, now I'm going, like, I've tied my hair because I don't want to keep it open. After teaching, I went to a cake shop to buy candles and poppers because soon I'm going to reach 10k subscribers. And I'm really excited. I decided to buy everything in advance because I don't want to be late. I'm preparing everything, the cake, the candles, the poppers. I bought these baby candles, and honestly, this shop has everything. It's so cute, and especially the gift items. Now I'm heading out. I'm going. I've also ordered a YouTube themed cake and I'm really excited about it. Okay, so I was just recording my video for my Instagram. I post there every single day and even here also, I mean on YouTube. So I was recording, and today I want to record one reel. I mean a song reel, or a motivation reel, you can say. So I'm going to record that. Oh my god, I just love when my hairs are wavy like this. I just love this kind of hairstyle on me. Oh my god, I sound like a native speaker, right? But let me tell you something, you don't need to sound like a native speaker, just speak, okay? And over time, you will see that your English is growing, and one day you'll look back and see how far you have come. Yes, you will smile at yourself, of course. So, yeah, I after doing this, I will watch one English video, maybe a podcast, or maybe one English video, or anything but in English, of course. So, yeah, I'm looking so beautiful. Damn. Okay, at the night it's 22:12 means 10:12 p.m. And now I'm going to read Verity by Cullen Hoover. And I know that I had told you guys that I would watch one video, but I didn't. Because I wasn't feeling like watching anything. I kept thinking that when will I read? When will I read? So instead of watching a video, I started reading. After reading, I also practiced speaking with some native speakers on an app called Episoden, but I didn't record it because my phone battery was almost dead. Okay, so I just practiced on the app without recording because my phone was on charge. And if you want to read this book, absolutely you can. The name of this book is Verity by Cullen Hoover. It's a romantic novel. So if you like romantic books, you can definitely give it a try. And yeah, that's it for now. And I'm really sorry because I didn't record that I was talking with I was speaking I was doing speaking practice with some native speaker on an app. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Okay, so this is for day 5. This is what I did today. And that's it for today's video. And I'll see you tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. On my day 6. Okay. If you like this vlog, if you like this series, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay. And I know you have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for that. And bye bye.